Uptown Swing.
I'm Stacia.
I'm Brian, and this was level 1 Charleston. We did a lot of review today.
Yeah, we reviewed a ton of things. We did like one little side of new things, we'll remind you of some things, but mostly we just polished up a lot of the stuff that you learned in previous ones.
And you looked really dancy by the end of class. Nice work if you were here.
Yes.
Otherwise, the big thing we talked about was that posture.
Yeah, we would do like, just like jump, land, and just see sort of where you are when you land athletically, and try to aim for that sort of a response from your body when you do this, instead of straight up. When we got into trouble, yeah, we got into like forward pelvis, and that's just hard because you're not really engaging your core, and then it's hard for you to control your body.
Yeah, and remember you gotta bend the knees and bend here. You can't just turn up. So then, our new thing was a little variation.
Really nailed this.
Hey, we got rock step, kick step, swing, and slide right back into the basic. It fit right in the basic, so you can do it at any time. It could be just the followers,